Today, I am at a beautiful property in Spring Branch, Texas, listed at $2.2 million right on Canyon Lake. Let's check it out. So, upon entry to the property, there is a circular driveway that has a 3-car garage. The exterior of the home has the light tan and brown stone, which is what we call our hill country look here in Central Texas. There is an 8-foot iron door that leads into the home. And once you get into the home, there's a stairwell with iron rods and hardwood with arch entryway that leads into the living room and the kitchen area. There is a nice built-in entertainment set in the living area with the hardwood floors that transition into the tile. The kitchen does feature an oversized island that sits 8. And there's a wine rack. Now, right off of the kitchen is the dining area. It has nice shutters, this beautiful chandelier, look at that, with crown molding in the ceiling, and it gives a nice view of the outside, which we're about to check out shortly. Features built-in appliances, with a gas stovetop, and a walk-in pantry. Now, as we enter into the outside area, we will see this gorgeous oversized patio that overlooks Canyon Lake. There's a lot of entertainment areas in this property. It's over 1.7 acres. Nice glass almost to the ceiling that gives you a full view of the lake from the inside of the home. Okay, so the first floor does have 2 bedrooms. As you can see, this custom home definitely has the arched entryways throughout the main areas of the home. The primary has the hardwood floors as well with the shutters. As we enter into the primary bathroom, you see the natural light that it brings in. Double vanities, and this window gives you direct access and a view to the lake. Walk-in shower. Soaking tub. And this leads into the toilet area, the closet area, okay, and the closet transitions into the laundry room area, which is very convenient being off of the main closet. This bedroom does have an ensuite as well that has a single vanity with lots of drawer space, more storage, and a stand-up shower. And a walk-in closet. Okay. So upstairs do have the hardwood floor throughout the stairs as well, and beautiful windows that give that light throughout the house. Okay. As we enter into the second floor, it overlooks the stairs. And here's the first bedroom. It does come with an ensuite as well. The walk-in closet and the stand-up shower. This home is still available, so if you're interested in this home or moving to the Central Texas Hill Country, you can give me a call. My number is 830-369-1776. This is the entertainment area. Have a kitchenette area. Before we go into the last bedroom, I'm gonna go out to this second floor balcony. Let me know what y'all think about this. It's an even better view of the lake, oversized patio. This is the final bedroom. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you're interested in this home or relocating to Central Texas, I will also have a relocations guide in the description below, along with my contact details. Thank you.